What's up guys, this is Sam. In the last video, we have just played with variables and data types. Now we are going to learn JavaScript operators. What is operator? We already discussed about it. Operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Take a look at this example a plus b. Here plus is the operator and a plus b, a and b are the operands. We cannot perform this addition operation on single operand. It requires two operands. These kind of operators are called binary operators. When an operator requires a single operand, then it is called unary operator. Let's discuss about the types of operators in JavaScript. 1. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operators, increment and decrement operators, logical operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, finally special operators. Let's discuss about them one by one. Arithmetic operators. Actually, JavaScript provides all the basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here are the operators available in JavaScript. All these operators are binary operators since it requires two operands. Let's write some code to understand arithmetic operators. Okay, let me create a new HTML file and save here in the HTML snippet JavaScript operators. And in order to write a JavaScript code, we need to open a script tag. Yeah, we are ready with everything right now. Okay, let's open this file here. JS operators. Yeah, this is an empty file, so we are not seeing anything there. Okay, let me declare a variable a equal to 10, b equal to 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform these arithmetic operations a plus b. So a minus b. Let me copy this, paste it here, paste it here. Okay, let's test this. Since this is console.log, we'll not see any output in the HTML page. So let's hit Command Option J on Mac to open a console. So as expected, 10 plus 5 equal to 15, and this will be 5, and this will be 50, and this will be 2. But JavaScript provides one more operator, that is modulus. So when you perform division operation, what will happen is for all other operations, like when you perform addition, it will give the sum. When you perform subtraction, it will give you the difference. When you perform multiplication, it will give you the product. But when you perform a division operation, it will give you the quotient and it will give you the remainder. So to get the quotient, you need to use this slash operator. To get the remainder, you need to use this modulo operator. What is the remainder here? In this case, remainder will be 0. Okay, let's verify it. Yeah, we are right. Okay, let's move on. And second one, assignment operators. Actually, it's just the equal operator used to set the values to the variable. So these are all the available operators in assignment operators. Okay, let's write some code to understand assignment operators. Okay, let's come back to the code editor. Actually, we already used assignment operator here. This is the assignment operator, but we need to understand all other operators which is available in assignment operators. Let's see one by one. You can even perform multiple assignments. For example, var a equal to b equal to 10, something like that, maybe 100. So let's print console.log a comma b. Let's print both values. As you can see, now we are able to set 100 to both A and B. So we can even do the multiple assignments. So let me add a comment here, multiple assignment. Okay, let's add a comment here, arithmetic operators. Okay, let's concentrate on assignment operators. That's very important right now. Okay, let me comment this out. This is not required. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to declare two variables and initialize some value to it. Okay, now let me write examples for all the operators. After that, I'll explain you how. Okay, this will be minus equal to, asterisk equal to, and this will be modulo. Let me remove that. Okay, I don't want A here, C and D. Here, A and C. Again, okay, this is fine. Maybe D here. Actually, what does this plus equal to means? Okay, let me explain here. A equals A plus B. This is the real meaning for this operator. Actually, this is the shorthand for writing this big expression. Okay, what will happen now is it will perform A plus B addition operation and it will store the result in A. That is the most important thing here. So A equals 10 plus 5. So the result will be 15. Okay, let's move on. C minus equal to D. What does it mean? C equal to C minus D. That's the meaning. So C equals C minus D. 6 minus 4 is 2. Let's perform other operations. A asterisk C will be, don't go here and search for A because we have modified the value of A, so the recent value should be taken. So A is 15 right now and the value of C is 2 right now because we have modified the value of C also. Don't take this value. A will become 30 here. And again, A equal to A divided by B. So what will happen here? Now the value of A is 30 and we are dividing by 5. So we'll be getting 6. Again, we are taking a modulo. So what will, with D, what will happen? The value of A is 6 here. 6 modulo 4 will be 2. 2 is the remainder. Yeah, 2 is the remainder. Okay, let's print all the values just to verify it. Here we are changing the value of A. So let me print A here. Here C here. A. Let's verify everything. 15 as we expected. And 2, 30, 6, 2. Okay, everything is right. So now we have learned arithmetic operators and assignment operators, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, third one is relational operators. Actually, this can be otherwise referred as comparison operators. Actually, relational operators are used to compare two or more operands. These operands may be variables, constants, or expressions. Yeah, these are all the available operators in this category. Okay, let's examine them one by one. Okay, let's go back to the code editor. Let me add a comment here, relational operators. Okay, let me introduce two variables here, x equal to 10, y equal to 10, and one more variable, z equal to 5. Okay, let me write these things. X is greater than c. Okay, let me copy paste here. Okay, let me write something here. So I'm going to write examples for all the operators. Okay, x is greater than or equal to y. X is lesser than or equal to, no spaces should be added there. So that's the mistake I'm doing. And let me check equals operator, x equal to y. And let's check x is not equal to y also. Okay, that's it. Let's verify everything. Before that, let's examine them. Let's evaluate that 10 is greater than 5. When you evaluate this expression, you will get true. So what will happen is this will return true. Okay, that's right. Okay, let's see what will happen for all other cases. Y is lesser than z. No, that's false. And x is greater than or equal to y. X is not greater than y, but it's equal. So it's true. And x is lesser than or equal to z. No, x is not lesser than, so false. X equal to y. See, to compare two values, you need to use this operator, equal to, right? So this will return true. Let's examine the next one. X is not equal to y. What is the value of x? 10. 10. Both are equal. So this is not, this statement is false. Okay, let's verify them. True, false, true, false, true, false. Wow, everything is right. So let's see the tricky parts of JavaScript. Okay, let's write some combinations here. X equal to 10. Can we like this? Can we write like this? Okay, let's verify that. But this should return true, right? Okay, let's verify that. So good. It's returning true. Okay, let's see what will happen here. I'm just enclosing the 10 within double quotes. As we know, x is the number and this 10 is the string right now because this is enclosed inside a double quotes. So number 10 is not equal to string 10. We need to understand this. So now we expect false here, right? Okay, good. I just want to write more combinations like this. True equals 1. Let's copy this, paste it here, paste it here. Okay, true equals 1 and maybe like this, and false equal to 0, 0 equal to some empty space like this, and what else? Maybe undefined. Undefined equal to null, and true equal to maybe true. And one more statement we can write. False equal to false. So except this statement, we are expecting false for all these cases, right? So this will be true. Let me add a comment here just to differentiate the things between them. Relational. Okay, let's verify them. Okay, the first statement is right. X equal to 10. That's true. And again, we are getting true. Okay, this is not the expected result because we expected false here, but we are getting a true here. The thing is, we are comparing the number value with the string value. Okay, let's write it here. 10 equal to 10. This is false, right? But what happens is, in JavaScript, type cohesion will happen. What does it really mean? It will take the value at the left hand side and the type of the value is number here. So this side, the type will be converted to number. So now it returns true. That's what happening here. Okay, the same thing will happen here also. Now we have a Boolean value here. this 1 will be converted to the boolean. So when you convert 1 to boolean, it will return true. So true equal to true is true. Again here, false equal to false, because 0 will become false here. Again, this combination is little interesting, because what happens is when you compare empty string, when you compare 0 with the empty string, what will happen is this empty string will be always considered as 0 in JavaScript. So 0 equal to 0, true. Again, undefined equal to null is false, as we know, but it will return true because of this type coercion. Okay. Finally, what happened here? False and false, right? This we need to understand. In JavaScript, strings cannot be converted into boolean. That is the most important thing you need to understand. Now let's see how to fix this. As we already seen in the operators, we have strict equals to and strict not equals to. There are two more operators available. So that will help us in this particular case. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's leave this case. This will be working fine. Now let's put triple equal here. No need to say triple equals. We can say strict equal. Okay. Strict equal here, strict equal here. Everywhere we are going to do that. Okay, let me remove this. Strict equal. Okay, these two cases cannot be fixed in this strict equals also. Let's leave that. Let's save this file and check it out. Okay, everything is returning false. That's what we also expected, right? So this x is not equal to this 10 and true is not equal to this one. So what will happen is when you perform strict equals, so what will happen is it will compare the value and its type. So that's the very important thing in JavaScript you need to understand. When you perform strict equals, it compares the value and it compares the type also. So if both are equal, then it will return true. So what happens here? It just compares the value. It will just compare the value of x and it will just compare the value of y. If both are equal, it just returns true. In strict equals case, it will check both the value and its type. Here the values are equal, but the types are different, so it will return false. So that's the most important thing you need to learn in JavaScript. Let's close this session with this. We will discuss the remaining operators in the next video lesson. Hope you have learned something new today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button and share the video with your friends. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thanks once again. Meet you soon in the next video lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.